this meeting so
Yeah,
that
of
I could
course.
just
Of course, you can record the
you
meeting.
could
Even I am recording it. No
uh-huh.
worries.
Okay, thank you.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so have you started the record? Okay, now can let me introduce myself. I'm Tasneem.
Mhm.
I am the mentor of the person who contacted with you. Today we're here to talk about your YouTube channel, right? So,
Yes, actually it's for Dr. Jerome Joseph's YouTube
okay, Joseph.
channel.
Yeah, Joseph. I have seen his channel name,
Mm-hmm.
so that is why I got confused because I have seen Joseph's name on the channel and now I'm seeing you. So, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's
Because
kind that
currently he's in a meeting,
mm-hmm,
so he wanted me to attend this.
mm-hmm.
He's in another meeting right now, so he wanted me to join this meeting. I'll just
Okay.
relay the discussion to him.
Okay. So you're Jessica, right? So Jessica, nice to meet
Yes, I'm
with you.
Jessica.
You can ask me
Yes,
any
hi.
questions you want. You can start asking. I'll be,
Okay.
happy to answer all of your questions.
Mm-hmm. So let me introduce briefly myself also. I'm Jessica. I'm working with Dr. Jerome Joseph. I'm the Strategic Growth Manager for Global Brand Academy. And he mentioned to me that he would like me to meet with you to discuss the improvements for his YouTube channel. So I sent Yusuf a key questions earlier this morning. And let me uh, tackle it one by one. So my first
Of
question
course.
would be, um, what are the weakest performing videos that you observe with Dr. Jerome's YouTube channel, and what factors contribute to that lower performance?
See, there is no metric of this that which videos are performing low or which video is performing
Mm-hmm,
high. Okay. So how do we measure videos are if they're performing good or not? It is basically on views, right? So the
mm-hmm,
lowest ones are supposed to be performing low than the higher ones. But here what we observed, we have seen multiple videos. Of course, we can't see all the videos of a channel before start the
mm-hmm,
work. So we have watched a few videos where we have seen that the videos were not very optimized and channel is also not very
mm-hmm,
optimized according to their specific audience. That is the reason videos are performing low,
mm-hmm.
and we can slowly optimize it, and once we do that it will get better only.
Mm-hmm.
And about the
I see.
quality and everything, for that we have to wait for a long time and keep noticing and monitoring everything. Once we do that, only
Mm-hmm.
then we will be able to tell you, because if I just tell you randomly, it will be a lie.
I see. So, did I understand it correctly? You cannot pick one, at least right now, pick one video and show it to me. What's the mistake on this
Of course
video?
I can
What
do.
needs to be improved?
Give me
Can
a
you
moment,
share?
please.
Yes, thank you.
Let me share my screen. Can you see my
Sure,
screen?
thank you. Not yet. Now I can see it now. Yeah.
Okay, this is the channel, right?
Yes,
If you
correct.
look at this area, can you see the ACO score? It
Mm-hmm.
is only 35 out of 100, right? That is a poor
Mm-hmm.
score.
Yep.
Because this score is low, it is limiting the
Mm-hmm.
visibility of the channel and also the video. And for that reason, you
Okay.
can see the performance score is only 10 out of 50. And if you
Mm-hmm.
go here, you can see you haven't added proper tags. In screens were not added. It's not been shared with any social media. And yeah, these are some problems. And the tags they have used, see, the tags they have used, in my opinion, we can't tell exactly without a proper research, but the ACO
Mm-hmm.
score is relatively lower because the tags were not correct. To fix that problem, what we need to do, can I just turn off my screen now?
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay, so To fix that problem, what we need to do, we need to do a proper in-depth keyword research, and once we do that, we will get to know what are the specific keywords which are lower, in competition but higher in ranks. Once we put that, the ASO score will slowly increase, and once it increases, it will increase the visibility and impression of those videos. And once it it does that, then automatically, if we get more impressions, more visibility, views and all the engagements are the byproduct. Do you get me?
Yes, I get that. But if I may ask, how long do we need to see the results? Like, is it
To start
for
seeing
three
the
months, six
results,
months?
to start seeing the results, I think within, let's say, within 4 6 weeks, you will be able to see the results. But if you ask me for the better growth or the bigger picture, more time we put into it, more better results we see.
Okay.
Let's say if we put, for example, now 3 months, I think after 3 months you'll see a good result, because I have seen the videos are quite good. Because see, whatever optimization, ads, or whatever we run into a video, what happens if the content are not very good? It does not matter, because what will happen even if we push the visibility to maximum level, but the videos are not good, people will come to the videos but they will not watch it, right? Because I have seen Joseph's videos are quite good. So once we optimize it, I think within 3 months we will start seeing good results. And the more time we put into it, the more better results we get. And YouTube is not only about monetization and all sort of things. It is a great platform for making personal brand. And once someone is able to make a personal brand, I think I have seen the intro of Joseph. I think he knows what it means to make a personal brand, especially in a platform like YouTube.
I see. I also want to ask, so you mentioned about keyword research, is that right?
Yes.
So how long does that take, or is it like 1 week,
No,
and then
you don't
we
have to
will
worry
proceed with?
about that. You don't have to worry about that. Once we do the deal, we proceed with the work. It will take some days to just understand and analyze the channel. And once we do that, because we have already a lot of experience, as we have worked with a lot of creators, so we know that how YouTube algorithm works. And slowly, we will
Okay.
start doing those research and putting those keywords. And eventually, time to time, we will come back again to those videos and we will reevaluate, we will reanalyze. And if we think like there is some problem, the ACO score is going down, or have something, some sort of problem is happening, we will redo it again.
I see. So how do we measure its success? Do we have to track it regularly or every
We
day?
will see after every, if you take our monthly package, which is $400 for 30 videos, US dollars for 30 videos. In that case, you'll get a monthly report where we will be giving you a before and after results, what we have changed, what are the adjustments we have made, and everything. You will get in a spreadsheet where you can just click it and look at it. And also, if you
I
want,
see.
I'll personally come into a meeting and I will show you, on my computer screen, that what has happened, what will happen in future, and we can discuss accordingly.
I see. So you mentioned it's $40 for
No,
a
not
monthly
$40.
subscription.
Not
Sorry?
$40. It's $400.
Can you repeat that? 400. Okay, thank you for correcting me. So is
Okay.
it Singaporean dollars or US dollars? Just to be
Uh,
clear.
Let me just ask you a question. No, not you. Sorry. ভাই আপনি একটু মেসেজটা দেখেন তো আমার কুইক
Sorry?
not you, sorry, there is another person in the meeting.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so it is 400 United States dollar.
Okay,
I don't know
USD.
exactly how much in Singapore dollars, but yeah,
I see.
it is 400
Okay, so
United
it's
States dollar for 30 videos in a month,
30 videos.
where you will get, and you can note it down, you will get in-depth keyword research. We will optimize your entire channel. Channel optimization is a one-time process. So we will do it for free, and we will analyze all of all those 30 videos. We will put the keywords, tags, and whatever necessary changes are required, we will do it. And of course, with that, you get a 24/7 customer service. Whatever questions you have, problems you have, and anything related to our service, you can reach us anytime you want.
I see.
And if, Mhm.
Yes, go
No,
ahead,
you can.
please. Yes, go ahead.
I forgot
Okay,
actually.
I
You
just
can
like
continue.
to I just like to ask if can you show me some of your past clients, and
I
if
can
you
show you
can
my current
mention.
clients
Yes, please. Thank
because
you.
I can't breach the privacy of my younger previous clients, so
Mm-hmm.
I can show you the recent ones. My
Okay, sure.
computer is giving some weird problems. I don't know why. Okay, so this is an ongoing client. We have been working for a long time now. Let me just minimize it. Mhm. This is a client. This is a seasonal client. They upload videos seasonally. Like I think they have uploaded their last video. I think not these one. These were just for nothing. These are for just records. But if you go to their lives, and if you just scroll down, you will see some videos that have very good performance, because these are seasonal channels. These are this is a esports let's say esports organization who organizes seasonal events, and when they do that, we optimize their videos and channel, and you can see the subscribers, and you can see the number of videos. And if I go to more, you can see the amount of videos they're uploading. Can you see that? Views
Yep.
they're getting.
It's more than 1 million. Let's
Yeah,
see.
even if you want to look at our channel, I can show you that. Why my Zoom is behaving like this? Okay, give me a moment, please. Okay, this is my Chrome. If I go to this, okay, so this is our channel. This is our agency's channel, where we teach people that how to do YouTube optimization and all sort of things. If you go there, it's loading. Sorry about the bad internet. It's nothing that I can do. You can see me here, by the way.
Okay.
And yeah, this is our channel where we teach people how do we optimize channels, how do we do ads, and all sort of digital products and everything that we got. We have we're earning a lot through these courses and everything. And if you look into the views, can you see it's more than 4 millions? And this is our channel. And if I just show you one thing, because nowadays we don't even do optimization here, because we don't have really time, because there are bunch of clients who are paying us to do these things. So we just left this channel like this only. See, this channel has opened, started the process just 2 years back. Can you see? And these are our recent clients. And if I show you some more, if you want to look some more, if I go to this place.
Sorry, may I ask, where are you based, your agency?
It is in Bangladesh, and we kind of do multiple digital services. This is a client. She used to be one of us, but now she don't really she left YouTube, but her channel's access has he did not remove the channel access. We still have the channel access, but she is not on let's say YouTube anymore. But yeah, you can see, because she has some personal issues, 81,000 views only in 5 videos. That is also good, no?
Yep.
This is one of our client from UK. Let me open his YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, can you see? Not this one, probably. Sorry, he shouldn't have only 9 subscribers. Okay, this one is his channel. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, so this is a channel we recently boarded, and As you can see, his views are increasing now. If you go to his channel and if you look, way older videos, they are not very good. But nowadays they're slowly performing good. And the thumbnails we also made for him. And yeah, we're doing it for many clients. But all these Gmails, if I open this one, all these Gmails has multiple access to the multiple clients. So I can't show you all these things, right? Because it will take hours to show you
Yeah.
everything. But I think you have got a, what does it say? You have got a idea that how things work.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you for sharing those things. I'd like also to ask, since you mentioned that one of the key problems why Dr. Jerome's channel is not growing with the views and subscribers because of the tags and all. Aside from that one, um, with the service package for the monthly, what else is included there? Like,
That
would you
only
help him
includes,
set up the monetization process, or
yeah, of course, once he has